The Maleficent star took her kids on a European vacation, complete with sightseeing, after the family attended the premiere of her new superhero flick Eternals. It was a Jolie family outing. Angelina Jolie was spotted taking in some historic sights with her kids Maddox Chivan, 20, Zahara Marley, 16, Shiloh, 15, and twins Knox, Léon and Vivienne Marcheline, 13 in Rome, Italy on Sunday, October 24. The 46-year-old actress seemed glad to be spending time with most of her kids on the European vacay, as they saw the historic Spanish Steps in Rome. Angelina and her kids were all masked up for the day of touring and sightseeing. The girl, interrupted star looked great, as she wore a gray trench coat over a black dress, as they looked at the city's sights. She also carried a black leather handbag and wore a pair of black heels, while looking at the attractions. Her eldest son Maddox wore an all-black outfit with a t-shirt and sweatpants, completed with a gray beanie. Shiloh sported a black crew neck sweatshirt, denim short shorts and yellow sneakers with black polka dots. Zahara rocked a white long-sleeve shirt and jeans. Vivienne wore a gray t-shirt and black short shorts, while her twin sported a SpaceX hoodie and charcoal-colored pants. Related gallery. Angelina Jolie vs Brad Pitt with their kids, pics. The only of one Angelina's kids that didn't seem to make the trip was her second oldest son Paxton, 17. She shares all of her kids with her ex-husband Brad Pitt, whom she's been in a complicated custody battle with since the two divorced. The 5 kids were all also with their famous mom at the premiere of her Marvel Cinematic Universe debut with Eternals in Los Angeles on October 18. Angelina was reportedly one of the stars of Eternals who may have been exposed to COVID-19 at the film's premiere. After the premiere, she and other stars skipped Tell's Women in Hollywood event, and went into super isolation out of an abundance of caution.